In today's video, we're doing a part one, our barbecue shack shanty build. This is going to be an outdoor kitchen. You'll be seeing this in a lot of videos.
The only part of this build that we didn't do ourselves was the concrete pad. That was a skill set that I just didn't think I wanted to tackle and learn on since it's so critical a foundation. All of the wood in this structure is pressure treated, and prices are way down since the COVID and supply chain issue days, down to about $1,300 worth of wood in this entire structure. We ended up digging down for the footings or the pilings that the posts would sit on. We dug down until we got to undisturbed, naturally compacted soil, and wherever that was, that's where we set the post. I ended up being lucky enough to have this rough-hewn, actual 2-inch red oak lumber cured that we're able to use in the supports. It came out amazing looking. I'll put links in the description where you can get all the hardware, all that black metal that you see we used in this build. It's decorative, very well built. You'll get links where you can go see that if you're interested in it. your name? Philip, thank you very much for your help. I did want to show you specifically that we put a slope on the walkway so that the water would drain away before it ran into the pad in the pavilion, knowing that I wouldn't want the rainwater running off that walkway inside. So it kind of has an off shunt right here. It never flows under. So as a DIY project, none of us professionals at this. This is a doable project if you've got people that can complement your skill sets. Dry as a bone on here, not a single leak on any of those screws. I could not be more pleased with how this turned out and the thousands of dollars we saved. So that's it. That's the full layout. What you can do is come back and we're gonna start getting involved in the kitchen counter and designing the kitchen setup. If there's any companies out there that have any interest in partnering with us to put the utilities and design this kitchen countertop, we'll accept all the input and help that we can get. If you click subscribe and hit the notification bell, you can come back and see when we get involved in a part 2 of this as we build out the kitchen. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you might just enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.